Very much by the whole community at planning, and it being a heritage site, I'm not so sure you'd want to see runway lights.
BBC Wiltshire's Emma Volney with an update there for you on what's going on at Old Sam Airfield near Salisbury now that they've started allowing unrestricted flights.
Oh, fucking idiot.
This afternoon, easing you through to the second half of the week.
No, you dare. Fuck's sake.
£24,000 a year because of this environment that we have of saying that they're now going to be trading with the world. They'll just pitch those same jobs that they'll be paying 23 or 24,000 now to an EU citizen. This environment that we have of saying that they're now going to be trading with the world. They'll just pitch those same jobs that they'll be paying 23 or 24,000 now to an EU citizen.
Stupid
To
fucking
someone
bitch.
from, let's say, Nigeria or Pakistan.
Right-wing views in his letter of confession. His body has been found in his apartment. Gardner, our security correspondent. And Frank, just tell us what details are emerging about the shootings.
Well,
Wake up.
attack
You have
took
right
place
way,
at two
dickhead.
different locations quite late at night.
Secure environments, so whether it's fencing, which we recommend being 6 foot or above, if you're only letting hens out to free range at certain hours of the day when you're all around and things like that. So yes, wary of these things, which we recommend being 6 foot or above. If you're only letting hens out to free range at certain hours of the day when you're all around and things like that. So yes, wary of these things and know the area.
In Devizes, Potton Road is closed between the Southgate and the Wick Lane mini roundabout as they're doing some water main work. Swindon, it's gas main work on Wootton Bassett Road, that's closed inbound near to Esso. So Great Western Way is clogged up coming from the Meads roundabout towards the Bruce Street bridges. Road on the A361, there's the standard hold-ups outside the church. The A303 both ways between Winterbourne, Stoke and Amesbury, it's from the Meads roundabout towards the Bruce Street bridges. Road on the A361, there's the standard hold-ups outside the church. The A303 both ways between Winterbourne, Stoke and Amesbury, it's very slow, and it's building again between Stapleford and Stowford on the A36, so the Warminster to Salisbury route because of some works there. On the trains, there's replacement buses between Salisbury and Southampton Central due to a landslip at Dean. There's a bit of disruption around